Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a pizza fall effect just like this. This is just really cinematic and amazing. So if you want to create something as beautiful and aesthetically pleasing like this, all you have to do is to go to this website called Higgsfield AI. Now Higgsfield AI has become the central hub for everything AI and VFX effects, meaning that you can create mind-blowing effects using this particular AI. And in this video we'll show you how to create this pizza fall effect. So the first thing, sign into this website, click on visual effects and scroll on to and choose this pizza fall here. So once you've clicked on it, this would appear. So all you have to do is to select any one of them that suits your video. All of them are basically the same thing, but so you can just click on generate. So once you clicked on the generate icon, you would see your image upload tab here. So go on to upload your image. I've uploaded this image, that's why it's appearing here. Now describe your prompt in this area. You can reassign or choose a different model, different from what it's the effects comes with, because for every effect it comes with a default set model. So you can always choose change this, or but I recommend you leave it. Then click on generate after checking if the duration is sufficient. But if it's not sufficient for you, just check or click on the next one, and also check for your resolution. So meaning high resolution would so we can see the higher the resolution, the higher the credits. So after this, just click on generate, and after a few minutes you will have your video ready for download in this area. Click on download here, and that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys.